What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming into halftime of the Monday night game, or Thursday night, excuse me, 10:53 Eastern, 9:53 Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. Gonna start off with the 2013 Tier 1 baseball. Gonna be 30 names in that one team per spot. And we'll randomize that list 5 times. Get that out of the way. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here's your roster for the Tier 1. And the Tier 1 going to be 1 pack, 3 cards per pack with 2 autos and 1 jersey pitch. First for the White Sox, Jake Peavy patch. That one number 270 out of 399. White Sox going to Ashley. And for the Padres, Yasmani Grandal on card auto 22 out of 399. Padres going to Gary B. And we'll get a 1 touch for this one. For the Tigers, a pink ink auto, Cecil Fielder. This one a super short print, 6 out of 25. And the Tigers going to Tad tonight. Congratulations, Tad. I think that's the first pink autograph I've ever come across. And that'll do it for the Tier 1. Up next, the 4-box case break, the 2012 Bowman Sterling Football. There's going to be 32 names in this one team per spot. And we'll copy that list, randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, we'll copy that list, paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for the Bowman Sterling case break. here is the case for tonight. And here we go, box number 1. And we'll start with the box topper. Up first for the Texans, DeVier Posey, rookie jumbo patch. Blue parallel, numbered to 54 out of 60. Texans going to Jose R. Congratulations. And Packers, Darrell Worthy. Bengals, Marvin Jones. And a gold parallel, the Lions, Dwight Bentley, numbered to 44 out of 50. Rookie autograph for the Vikings, Harrison Smith. Vikings going to Jose. And for the Niners, A.J. Jenkins, a rookie patch. That one going to Mo. Ravens, Courtney Upshaw. Lions, Ryan Broyles. And Bucks, Doug Martin. Rookie auto for the Titans, Taylor Thompson. Titans going to Jose. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Bucks, Doug Martin. Bucks also going to Jose. Jarius Wright, Quentin Coples. And for the Redskins, RG3 blue refractor, numbered 62 out of 99. Redskins going to Jason H. And let's grab a one touch for this one. For the Giants, David Wilson, rookie auto 2 color patch. Blue refractor, numbered 59 out of 99. Giants going to Steve E. And a rookie patch for the Seahawks, Robert Turbin. That one going to John W. Kirk Cousins, Greg Childs, and a Kobe Faliner. Rookie auto patch for the Saints, Nick Toon. That one going to Jason C. And a blue refractor jersey patch for the Bengals, Andy Dalton. That one going to Jason H, numbered 61 out of 75. Ryan Tannehill, Tommy Streeter, and TJ Graham, a black refractor, numbered 75. Going to Dave R. Rookie autograph for the Chiefs, Cyrus Gray. That one going to Jason H. And a rookie blue refractor, Jumbo patch, Devere Posey, number to 99. That one going to Jose. And the last pack of box number 1. Dante Hightower, the Brandon Boykin, and Dre Kirkpatrick. Rookie autograph for the Colts, Colby Fleener. Colts going to Gregory H. And a nice looking 4-color patch for the Patriots, Dante Hightower, numbered 18 out of 75. Patriots going to Christina H. We'll start with the box topper. This one going to the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey, 2-color patch, numbered to 99. Bears going to Jesse W. Jaron Kreiner, Russell Wilson, and Dwayne Allen. And a redemption, autograph rookie relic. That'll go to the Patriots, Dante Hightower. So Christina H, you're getting that one. A rookie autograph for the Redskins, Alfred Morris. Very nice. That one going to Jason H. And for the Browns, jumbo patch, Brandon Whedon. Browns going to Mo. Melvin Ingram, Michael James. And for the Packers, blue refractor Nick Perry, numbered at 99. That one going to Mo. Rookie autograph for the Dolphins, Javorsky Lane. That one going to Jesse B. And for the Colts, Dwayne Allen, jumbo patch. Colts going to Gregory H. Brandon Thompson, Fletcher Cox, and Derek Wolfe. Rookie autograph for the Chiefs, black refractor, Dontario Poe, 14 out of 50. Chiefs going to Jason H. And for the Bills, a black refractor, TJ Graham, 15 out of 75. That one going to Dave R. Cyrus Gray, Andre Branch, and gold refractor for the Bengals, Marvin Jones, 22 out of 50. Going to Jason H. Now we'll grab a 1-touch for the next one. For the Buccaneers, Doug Martin, rookie auto, 3-color patch. Blue refractor, numbered 8 out of 99. Bucks going to Jose R. Congratulations, Jose. And the Panthers, jersey patch, Joe Adams. That one going to John W. Devon Still, AJ Jenkins, and Brian Quick. Blue refractor for the Eagles, Marvin McNutt auto, numbered 17 out of 99. That one going to Dave R. And for the Browns, Trent Richardson, jumbo patch. Browns going to Mo. Chris Givens, Riley Reef, and Ryan Tannehill, black refractor, number to 75. That one going to Jesse B. Black refractor, rookie auto for the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Bears going to Jesse W. And for the Colts, Kobe Fleener, jumbo patch. That one going to Gregory H. And on the box number 3. And for the Lions, Ryan Broyles, 4-color patch, numbered 41 out of 60. That one going to Ron J. Bobby Wagner, Marvin McNutt, and David Wilson. Rookie auto for the Raiders, Rod Streeter. Raiders going to Jose. And a rookie 3-color patch for the Vikings, Jarius Wright, number to 65. That one also going to Jose. Josh Gordon, Keyshawn Martin, and Jeff Demps. Rookie auto for the Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. That one going to John W. And a jumbo patch for the Broncos, Brock Osweiler, 21 out of 99. Broncos going to Mo. Cordy Glenn, Zach Brown, and a Ruben Randall. Black refractor, 17 out of 75. Giants going to Steve. Rookie auto for the Colts, Chandler Harnish. That one going to Gregory. And for the Saints, Nick Toon, jumbo patch. Saints going to Jason C. Ruben Randall, Ronnie Hillman, and a blue refractor for the Bills, Cordy Glenn, 17 out of 99, going to Dave. Panthers, a rookie auto, Luke Kuechly, going to John W. And a rookie patch for the Jets, Stephen Hill, going to Mo. RG3 rookie, Matt Khalil. And a sepia tone refractor for the Eagles, Chris Polk, numbered 6 out of 25, going to Dave R. Redemption, autograph rookie relic blue parallel, Dwayne Allen. That'll go to the Colts, Gregory H. Rookie auto, or just an autograph for the Chargers, Eddie Royal. Chargers going to Shelly W. And Saints, jumbo patch, Mark Ingram, 21 out of 99. Saints going to Jason C. Devere Posey, Ryan Lindley, and Robert Turbin. And I have a dual auto, jersey patch. It'll go to the top team, Doug Martin. And on the bottom, David Wilson, numbered at 10 out of 20. Let's get a one touch for that one. So Buccaneers going to Jose. Very nice. Congratulations. And a rookie patch for the Giants, Ruben Randall. And that one will go to Steve. And box number 4. Grab a one touch. I'll go one bigger. Sorry about that. For the Redskins, RG3 Jumbo Patch. 3-color, numbered 64 out of 99. Redskins going to Jason H. Isaiah Peed, Mark Barron, and a sepia tone refractor Whitney Merciless. 2 out of 25 going to Jose. Chargers rookie auto Melvin Ingram. Going to Shelly W. And Jarius Wright jumbo patch. Vikings going to Jose. Morris Claiborne, David DeCastro, and TJ Graham. Rookie auto for the Titans, Taylor Thompson. Going to Jose. And gold refractor rookie 2-color patch, Andrew Luck, numbered 9 out of 65. Colts going to Gregory H. Whitney Merciless, Jonathan Martin, blue refractor for the Bengals, Mohamed Sanu, 91 out of 99, going to Jason H. Rookie auto for the Saints, Nick Toon. That one going to Jason C. And a jumbo patch for the Dolphins, Michael Agnew, going to Jesse B. Casey Keenum, Luke Kuechly, and Ontario Poe. Rookie auto for the Vikings, Harrison Smith, going to Jose. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson, going to John W. Ryan Tannehill, Tommy Streeter, and Brian Quick. Black refractor, 70 out of 75. Rams going to Jose. And sepia tone, a rookie auto, Greg Childs, 3-color patch, 33 out of 36. That one going to Jose. And for the Bengals, Mohamed Sanu, number 27 out of 99, going to Jason H. And Dante Hightower, Brandon Boykin, and Dre Kirkpatrick. Got a redemption. Prism refractor, dual autograph, dual relic. That'll go to the top team, Ronnie Hillman. So the Broncos. That'll go to Mo P. And then you also have Robert Turbin for the Seahawks. Congratulations, Mo. And for the Giants, Ruben Randall jumbo patch. That one going to Steve. And that'll do it for the Thursday night breaks. Back at it tomorrow with the case break of the 2012 Black Football. Only a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.